Here we are, the further adventures of Car Crash. And in the last tutorial, I already talked about this, but I didn't give you the code for it. Well, now we have the code for the speed. We have the code for the speed increase. So as the enemy keeps going and going and going, each time the enemy gets recreated, we're going to increase the speed. And then we're going to also add a score. Ooh, so we can win, we can win, we can win. Well, let's take a look at the most important part here, which is, just a second here, let me find. Here's our collision. This is all the same, this is all the same, this is all the same. We're creating our sprites, we're adding them to the groups, we're checking for events. Ooh, a new one! We are checking collision. So, because we have our sprites in the group, we don't have to individually test each sprite for a collision because PyGame has we don't care who collides or how many people collide, or if there's 80 people and one person collides with somebody else, we're testing for any collision anywhere with the player sprite or sprites and the enemies. If we do collide, then we wait for a second, exit the game, and exit the program. And we're looking for collisions between anybody in this group and anybody in this group. And then, of course, we call our event, we call our method right after we check for events, like key moves and that sort of thing. And then we do our update, and all that stuff is the same. But now we have a collision. Let's see what happens. Crash. Well, not very exciting. The game stops and there's nothing being displayed, but we know that it is catching our collision. And we said wait for a second and then quit and exit. The sleep method comes from the time library. So from time we import sleep. Just like from sys, we import exit. Well, it's going to get more exciting in the next one because in Car Crash 7, we wrap it up and make it look beauteous. So stay tuned for the final adventure of Car Crash Tutorial.